Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to your channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll dive into a conversation packed with useful idioms and break them down so you can start using them in your daily life. Ready? Let's jump in. Hey, did you manage to take advantage of that sale at this store? No, I was planning to, but I had to change my mind last minute because something came up. That's a shame. I feel like I'm getting nowhere with my project at work. Any advice? Well, you're supposed to do a thorough analysis first. Have you done that? All right, I totally forgot. In that case, I'll start working on it right away. Good idea. Who's in charge of the project anyway? My manager, but she's been out of town. The office is a piece of cake to get to, though. Just a stone's throw from here. Famous last words. You said the same thing last time and got lost. Yeah, but better late than never, right? True. By the way, let's meet bright and early tomorrow to discuss our plans. Sure. More or less around 8 a.m.? Perfect. I tried to get through to you yesterday, but your phone was off. Oh, I must have laughed it off. My bad. Don't ask me why I couldn't reach you. It's a mystery. Thank heavens you managed to get through today. See you tomorrow. Did you catch all those idioms? Now, let's break them down so you understand and use them with confidence. We'll go through each category, explain what they mean, and give you some examples. First up, verb-based idioms. These are idioms that are based on verbs. Let's look at 4 of them. Number 1, take advantage of something, meaning make good use of something. For example, she took advantage of the good weather to go for a walk. Number 2, change your mind, meaning change your decision or opinion about something. For example, I was going to go out tonight, but I changed my mind and stayed home. Number 3, get nowhere, meaning make no progress or have no success. For example, I've been trying to solve this problem all day, but I'm getting nowhere. Number 4, be supposed to do something, meaning you should do it because someone told you to, or it is your responsibility. For example, you are supposed to finish your homework before playing video games. Next, we have prepositional phrases. These idioms use prepositions. Here are 2 examples. Number 1, in that case, meaning used to say what will happen or what you will do as a result of a particular situation. For example, the meeting is canceled. In that case, I'll go home early. Number 2, in charge of somebody or something, meaning having control or command of someone or something. For example, who is in charge of the project? Now let's look at some noun phrases. These idioms are based on nouns. Number 1, a piece of cake. Something very easy to do. For example, the exam was a piece of cake. Number 2, a stone's throw, meaning a short distance. For example, the park is just a stone's throw from my house. Sayings and proverbs are often used to give advice or share wisdom. Here are 2 common ones. 1, famous last words, meaning used when you think someone is speaking with too much confidence about something that they think will happen. For example, I can finish this in no time, he said. Famous last words. Number 2, better late than never, meaning it is better to arrive late than not at all. For example, she finally arrived at the party. Better late than never. Fixed phrases with 2 keywords are easy to remember. Here are 2 examples. Number 1, bright and early, means early in the morning. For example, we need to leave bright and early tomorrow. Number 2, more or less, means almost or approximately. For example, the project is more or less finished. Idiomatic phrasal verbs are verbs combined with prepositions or adverbs. Let's look at two. 1. Get through to somebody means make contact with someone by phone. For example, I tried to get through to you, but your phone was off. Number 2, laugh something off means joke about something to show you think it is not serious or important. For example, he laughed off the mistake and continued with his presentation. Finally, let's look at some exclamations and short spoken phrases. 1. Don't ask me used to say that you don't know the answer to something. For example, what's the solution? Don't ask me means I don't know. Number 2, thank heavens, which is used to say you are pleased and relieved about something. Thank heavens it didn't rain during the picnic. And there you have it, a bunch of useful idioms that you can start using right away. Practice these in your conversations and you'll sound more like a native speaker in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe in our channel, and hit the ring or bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below, by the way, with your favorite idiom from today's lesson, and share this video with your friends who are also learning English. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.